Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to change the startup settings in Naver Whale Browser on your mobile device. This guide will help you customize your browsing experience so that the browser opens exactly. First, open Naver Whale Browser on your phone. Once the browser is open, tap on the two-line menu icon. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on the Settings icon to open the browser settings. After that, scroll down and select the Startup option. Here, you will see three choices for how the browser opens. You can choose to open with the previous pages, which allows you to continue your browsing session from where you left off. You can also select Open with a new tab, which gives you a fresh start every time you launch the browser. Finally, you have the option to open with your home page, which will always take you to the page you have set as your default home page. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.